Okay, so let's answer learning task number 2 in your week number 3. Okay, so if, ayan, okay, if the measure of angle UTV, so ang UTV, minus yan, no? Angle UTV, UTV. So, kung i-imdantain na name, ang center letter indicates the vertex of the angle. So in this case, ang vertex niya is T, okay, which is the center of the circle. So UTV, na may measure daw na 70 degrees. Ayan, in-indicate ko na 70 degrees. And then, the measure of angle VTY, ayan. So, napunta ko na angle, ano? V, ayan, V, and then the vertex T and Y. So, the measure is 92 degrees. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng 92 degrees. And then, the measure of arc, ayan, may arc sa taas ng mga letters. The measure of arc YZ. So, yung YZ, okay, yung arc YZ, ito siya. Ano? May measure daw siya na 88 degrees. Okay? And then we will answer the following. So, ito yung answer natin. Right. So, what is the measure of arc UV? So, an arc UV, dito siya, no? Arc UV. So, if we try to read and understand the previous page, ano, which is about the central angle and the intercepted arc. So, nilagyan ko dito ng description. Yung central angle daw is an angle whose vertex is the center and whose sides contain the two radii. And then the measure of central angle of a circle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. Okay, so ang pinaka-important nila dito class ay inina formula. I mean, inina equation. Okay, so mayroon kita dito circle and then the corresponding chords and then the arcs. So the measure of angle BEA, so ito yung BEA, ano? BEA, which is our central angle, is equal daw to the measure of arc AB. Ito yung AB, ano? Which is our intercepted arc. So kung, excuse, kung ano sinian measure, makalot ang measure sa intercepted arc. Kung ini 110 degrees ang angle, BEA is 110 degrees, and measure nila sa arc, which is AB, arc AB, is equal to 110 degrees. Kasi nga equal. So, kung i-apply ito dito sa aton given problem, okay, so, ang given is yung UTV, okay, which is 70 degrees yung angle. And then, of course, equal daw siya ng intercepted arc, which is the UV. So, ang answer dito is 70 degrees. Okay, so, galap sa ka. Dali. Okay, so, number 2, the measure of angle VTZ. So, I'm high nito na VTZ. And VTC is like here, V, T, and Z. Remember the center or the center letter sa tatlong letters ay yun yung vertex, which is also our center of the circle. Alright? So, i-apply ta niyan, inin na, yari sa page mata niya, which is called the arc addition. Oh. Right? Okay. So, yan. The measure of angle VTZ, para makuha itong i-apply tayo na arc addition. Okay? So, here is the illustration. Ang measure daw sa arc ABC, ito ng arc ABC, ano? From here, arc ABC. Ang measure ko na ito is equal to the measure of arc ABA plus arc BC. So, arc AB, ayan, i-add mo, ito na duwa na arcs, you get the total measure for the measure of arc ABC. Wala na daw na arcs. So, i-apply dito niyan dito. Okay? However, ini na arc dito, walay given na measure. So, hahanapan dito siya niyan. So, paano tayo hahanapan? So, what's in class, ano? So, remember na mayroon na kita dito mga given na measurements. And then this one, yung arc, sabihin natin arc YZ, ano? Dun sa given is 88 degrees. So, kung an intercepted arc is 88 degrees, so an central angle is also 88 degrees. Okay, so 88 degrees man ta. Okay, so, ang pulang tanala, itong doon na gudla na central angle. Remember that the whole circle, if you remember the whole circumference, Mayon ito siya, measure niya 360 degrees, ano, ang whole circumference of a circle. 360 degrees ang iya measurement. And then, kung i-add ito nga tanan na kuan, ito na i-add nga tanan na degrees, ano, i-add nga tanan. I-punta din sa calculator. Harani ko lang, may para may model. Okay? So, from 70, 92, and 88. At ano, 70 plus 92 plus 88, mayan kita niyan sum na 250 degrees. Ito doon na tulo na central angles, 250 degrees. And then, i-minus na niyan sa 360. Kaya may tanan whole circumference and circle, di ba? So, ang difference ito, maanto da, ng central angle, ano? So, kung i-apply ito dili, I mean, kung i-subtract that, 360 minus 250 degrees, ang iya difference is 110. Ayan. So, lagyan natin 110. Okay, 110 degrees. So, ini nga din na central angle mo yun ito doon, 110 degrees, as well as the intercepted arc, which is also 110 degrees, right? So, the answer here of angle VTZ, VT and Z is 110 degrees. No. Ipo-plus mo niyan sa 70. Kaya nito ko atan V, T, and Z. I-add na niyan, inibili na arc, which is also ano kong kanina, discuss ko about the arc addition. So 70 plus 110, that is 180 degrees. So semicircle, 180 degrees. Okay, number 3, the measure of angle UTY. So hanin kanina UTY. U, T, and Y. So mamanta, gagamit ang tataan arc addition. So i-add na lang 110 plus 88. So let's use the calculator. 110 plus 88, that is 198 degrees. So the answer here is 198 degrees. Okay, lahat na lang dua. Okay, so what is the measure of arc VY? So ano ito na, arc VY, V and Y. So central angle, and then the intercepted arc is the same, that's 92 degrees. Then the last one, number 5, okay, the measure of angle UTZ. So ano ito na, UTZ, U, T, and Z. So 110 an angle. 110 degrees. Okay? So I hope na-gets niyo ang aton short discussion about week number 3 problem. Okay?